Hi, in this video I'll explain you how to use an LCD as an output device with an Arduino microcontroller board. Okay, so LCD is nothing but a liquid crystal display, and here in order to make use of the functions related to LCD, we use a header file called lcd.h, which has many built-in functions to configure LCD, and also to arrange the cursors and to display the character. So like this, we have many functions are there. So here we will illustrate the basic pin details of the LCD first. So here, this is what the basic LCD. It is a 16 cross 2 LCD. So 16 characters are there in each row, and it has two rows. That's why it's called 16 cross 2 LCD. And very importantly, what you have to know is you should know the pin numbers. Okay, it has 16 pin numbers over here. So we can see that pin number 1 is called VSS. Pin number 2 is called VDD. Pin number 3 is called VEE, and pin number 4 is called RS. It's called register uh, select, and pin number 5 is RW. Pin number 6 is enable, and from pin number down, from 7 down to uh, 14 are basically the data pins through which we can read the command from LCD, and also we can write the data into an LCD. Then pin number 15 and 16 are for anode and cathode of the LCD. Okay, so very importantly, what you have to know here is what are the data pins, and what are the RS, RW, and E pin, which is called enable pin. Because there are two registers will be there in LCD called data register and command register. So by using this RS, we can select the particular register, and also by using RW, we can read the value into it, and also we can write a value um, into a LCD. Okay, we can read the value from LCD, and also we can write value into LCD. So these are the data pins. Let's see a simple program, and we'll see the simulation also. So here, as I told you, we use a header file called liquidcrystal.h. Header file is being used, and here we use a constructor. Okay, so the liquidcrystal.h has a function called liquid crystal LCD, and here we specify the details over here. If you look at the previous classes, we might have discussed that. So we have the pins specifying the functions here. So we have four data pins are used here. There are some LCD which uses 8 data pins to display character. There are some LCDs which uses only 4 pins to display the character. Okay, so here we have pin number 12, which is basically connected to the RS pin, and pin number 11 is connected to the RW pin, and pin number 5 uh, 5 is connected, 5 4 3 2 are connected to the data pins. So it depends on the LCD manufacturing details. We can configure these pin details for connecting an LCD with a microcontroller. It is okay. Then we start with the setup. In the setup function, first command what we write here is a begin function of the LCD we use. Okay, so the begin function of a LCD, we specify it is a 16 cross 2 matrix. So 16 characters are there, and there are two rows. Then we write a command here, lcd.print. It's called some word in bit, whatever the character you want to type it onto an LCD, we can specify it within double quotes. So here we specified hello comma world, some character that's specified here. Then what we can do, that is the setup. So in a loop, what we can do, we can uh, set the cursor. Okay, so set the cursor at 0th row in the first column. 0th row, first column, we can set our cursor in the particular position. Then also what we can do, in this program, we just display the seconds passed by. Okay, so how many seconds are over since you've started the program? So milliseconds divided by 1000 will give you the second that will be also can be displayed on the screen. Okay, so like this we can write a simple program to use an LCD with an Arduino. Okay, so now let us see how to do this in simulation part. So now here you can see an Arduino board connected to a LCD through a breadboard, through a breadboard here. Okay, and here you have the connection that is given here, and as you scroll, hover your mouse on the particular pin number, you can see the function of these pin numbers of the LCD, and similarly the data pins are connected here, and also the read write and register select pins are connected here. Then you have the ground connections here, and also the power supply is given here. Okay, so like this an LCD is connected, and also the through the VEE pin port is connected to change the brightness of the LCD. Okay, so let us see the code here. So I have given a code here which is specifying the hello world here. Okay, for this I'll change it to my name so that it can be displayed here. Okay, so I have specified my name over here, and also it will specify, as I told you, that number of seconds passed by. Okay, that will also be shown here. Okay, so now I will start with the simulation part. Okay, so in the simulation part, as you start it, you must be able to see the LCD, it's getting initialized, and also you can see that the characters are getting printed here. Characters are getting printed here. Then if you want to change the brightness of the LCD, as you know that you can use this particular um, potentiometer, okay, to change the brightness of the LCD. You can see that nothing is visible when I bring it to the maximum point. Okay, you can make it visible. Okay, okay, so like this we can vary your brightness, and it's now we can write many program related to it by recognizing a key press and displaying the corresponding key on the LCD also. You can do it provided if you know how to write a program for this. Okay, thanks for watching.